Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn what is direct and an indirect speech. So let's understand what is direct speech and what is an indirect speech. Direct speech is the way of speaking or writing in which we repeat the exact words of the speaker. These words are put inside quotation marks. We use the speaker's actual words without changing anything. When we do not remove inverted commas, we use and repeat the exact words of the speaker. It is called direct speech. For example, you can see here direct speech. She said, comma here, I am busy. Speaker exact words uh, in the quotation marks in inverted commas. This is called direct speech. There are two parts of direct speech: before inverted commas and inside the inverted commas. She said here, she said is the reporting speech, and the speaker exact words. This is reported speech. You can see key features of the direct speech. Quotation marks are used, tense doesn't change, words are exactly as spoken. We do not remove single word of speaker and also the quotation marks in indirect speech. So let's understand what is an indirect speech. You can take screenshot if you forget what is direct speech. Okay, let's understand what is an indirect speech. You can see here. Is the way of speaking or writing in which we do not use the exact words but tell the meaning of what the speaker said. We do not use quotation marks here. The actual message is reported, but the exact words are changed. Here we do not use the exact words of the speaker. We do not use any quotation marks here when we convert our direct speech into indirect speech. Only the actual message is reported. You can see in this example, he said, I am tired. And when we convert into indirect narration, he said, and we remove inverted commas here, that use here, and then we change our pronoun, and then we will change our tense and the remaining part of the tense here. Here are the key features of indirect narration. No quotation marks used here. Tense and pronouns usually change. Meaning is reported, not exact words. This is called indirect speech. Okay. You can take screenshot of what is an indirect speech. Okay, let's summarize what is the difference between direct and indirect speech. Direct speech, we use the exact words and we use the inverted commas. We do not change single punctuation marks in direct speech. But in indirect speech, we remove inverted commas and we use and we change our pronoun, we change our tense, we change our reporting verb here in indirect speech. So that's all for today. If you have any question, drop your comment below the video, then I will answer in the next video. Thank you.